These are the elevators at Ollie/Baumhaus in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a newly built apartment building here. These are brand new Hadfield elevators with innovation security fixtures, newer innovation security. Here's your emergency evacuation map. And that elevator is out of service. Absolutely lovely Hadfield. Also, what is up with two chimes on the first floor? With different pitches. Two different kind of chimes. Go down to SC. And listen to that obnoxiously loud door operator. Lovely. Absolutely lovely Hadfield. Whoa. These elevators are not that great. Here, SC. I think that's like sub something. I don't know. And the outer door is lower than the inner door on this floor. So I'll go up to the roof. That chime is loud. I think it's like the garage or something. Whoa. This is loud. The other elevator doesn't work. It's out of service. And this elevator sounds just lovely. And the chimes are lovely too. Different chimes on the inside and the outside. The first floor is an extra outside chime for some reason. And the roof, very vibrating. I do like the white LEDs on the modern buttons though. Innovation security. Hadfield, definitely. There's the roof. We'll back down to one. ADA phone. Pretty nice modern stainless steel elevators. I do like these elevators though. Besides the fact, I believe they are MRL. Innovation security fixtures, Hadfield installed. There's a replacement for an extra lantern there. That's absolutely lovely. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Sarcasm installs. Here, Mecca 1. Just listen to that door operator, just like the district hotel in downtown. That goes, and that's going to be it.